Did you know that pumpkin seeds hold an incredible secret? These humble seeds are packed with hidden powers that can benefit your overall health in surprising ways. Well, get ready to be amazed because today we're going to reveal the incredible benefits of pumpkin seeds. In this captivating video, we unveil the hidden superpowers of pumpkin seeds and reveal their astounding benefits. Brace yourself for an eye-opening journey as we delve into the top 10 reasons why pumpkin seeds deserve a prominent spot in your diet. From boosting heart health to enhancing immune function, these tiny seeds pack a punch like no other. So grab some pumpkin seeds, sit back, and prepare to unlock the hidden potential of these extraordinary seeds. Benefit number 1. Pumpkin seeds are a powerhouse of nutrients containing essential minerals like iron, magnesium, and zinc that are crucial for a healthy body. Benefit number 2. These tiny seeds are loaded with antioxidants that help protect your cells from damage, boosting your immune system and fighting off diseases. Benefit number 3. Pumpkin seeds are a rich source of fiber, aiding digestion and ensuring a healthy gut. Benefit number 4. Did you know that pumpkin seeds can help regulate blood sugar levels? Their high magnesium content supports insulin function, making them a great choice for those managing diabetes. Benefit number 5. Need a natural mood booster? Pumpkin seeds contain tryptophan, an amino acid that helps your body produce serotonin, the feel-good hormone. Benefit number 6. Say goodbye to sleepless nights. Pumpkin seeds are rich in magnesium and tryptophan, both of which promote a good night's sleep. Benefit number 7. Ladies, listen up. Pumpkin seeds are packed with natural plant compounds called phytoestrogens, which can help alleviate the symptoms of menopause. Benefit number 8. Want to maintain a healthy weight? Pumpkin seeds are low in calories but high in protein, which keeps you feeling full and satisfied. Benefit number 9. Reduce the risk of prostate cancer. Studies have shown that pumpkin seeds are rich in nutrients that may help reduce the risk of prostate cancer. Recently, pumpkin seeds have entered the spotlight for treating benign prostatic hyperplasia, and consequently prostatic cancer also in a study done in Germany by Dr. Martin Lebrun. 60 patients with benign prostatic hyperplasia were asked to consume pumpkin seed extract once a day for 12 weeks. Surprisingly, within 3 weeks, patients began to experience relief in prostate enlargement-related symptoms, and by the end of 12 weeks, around 30% of their symptoms were reduced. But that's not all. Benefit number 10, pumpkin seeds are also a fertility powerhouse. They are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support reproductive health in both men and women. For men, these seeds contain zinc, which is crucial for healthy sperm production and motility. Pumpkin seeds are an excellent source of magnesium, which is known to relax blood vessels and improve blood flow. This can enhance sexual function and increase fertility in both genders. We are going to explore the delicious world of pumpkin seeds and discover creative ways to incorporate them into our diet. Pumpkin seeds are packed with essential nutrients and have numerous health benefits. Don't limit yourself to just snacking on plain pumpkin seeds. Let's dig into some mouth-watering ideas to enjoy these nutritious little gems. First up, roasted pumpkin seeds. Simply toss them with a little oil and your favorite seasonings, then bake them until they're golden and crunchy. They make a perfect wholesome snack or even a crunchy topping for salads and soups. Next, let's blend pumpkin seeds with your favorite smoothie recipes. Just add a handful of roasted pumpkin seeds to your blender along with fruits, vegetables, and a liquid of your choice. For a delicious twist on your morning granola, why not add some pumpkin seeds? The combination of crunchy oats, nuts, dried fruits, and pumpkin seeds creates a delightful texture and unbeatable taste. Craving some protein? Try coating your chicken or fish with a crust made from ground pumpkin seeds. It adds a unique and flavorful crunch to your favorite dishes. Another great way to incorporate pumpkin seeds is by making pumpkin seed pesto. Just blend a handful of seeds with fresh basil, garlic, Parmesan cheese, olive oil, and a squeeze of lemon. This vibrant and nutty pesto can be used as a sauce for pasta, spread on sandwiches, or used as a dip for veggies. Lastly, let's indulge in some pumpkin seed energy balls. Simply blend pumpkin seeds, dates, and your favorite nuts, then shape them into bite-sized snacks. They are perfect for an afternoon boost or a post-workout treat. So there you have it. From roasted snacks to flavorful toppings, there are countless ways to incorporate pumpkin seeds into your diet. Experiment, get creative, and enjoy the delicious world of pumpkin seeds. Have you ever tried pumpkin seeds as a natural remedy before? If yes, please comment below so that other people can get tips as well. Thanks for watching. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more health tips and insights. See you next time.